What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I want to break down everything that's inside this new program that we just launched called Pate Pro. And I'm going to answer a lot of the questions and concerns that we're getting. We'll talk about everything that you get inside, and then we'll also help you kind of make the decision on whether or not this is a good fit for you. And if you stick around, we're also going to be sharing some really exciting stuff, including different awards, challenges, and I'm going to be showing you a couple of the different trophies, swag, different things like that we're doing inside this community. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Now, the first question that you're going to have is, okay, Peyton, what's inside Pate Pro? Now, at the core of this program is our trainings. We have a monthly training that is focused on one particular topic that is going to help you double your income as a web designer. Now, this isn't just me that's giving these trainings. While I will be giving a lot of them, we have already scheduled and brought on a ton of incredible experts to give different trainings on things that they specialize in or are really, really good at. So we're going to have different trainers like Jesse Showalter, Grace Walker, John Saunders, Timothy Ricks, a ton of other incredible web designers that are going to help you take your skills to the next level. Now, aside from those trainings, you're also going to get access to all of the past trainings. So as you stick around for more and more time, you're going to have an incredible library of trainings that you can go back to continue to learn and hone your skills. Now, aside from that, we also have an awesome private community that is hosted in a Facebook group. Now, we went back and forth with using different platforms like Circle or Discord, but at the end of the day, people use Facebook groups more than anything else. So you'll have access to this. We're going to be monitoring this daily to make sure that there's no spam, there's no crap. This is going to be an awesome place for you to connect with other web designers like you, to get feedback, share ideas, partnerships, everything that you need to excel and succeed as a web designer. Now, one thing that's been pretty popular, especially on YouTube, is these different opportunities to participate in design challenges. And so what we want to do is we want to give you an opportunity to see other people's work, practice your skills, build a portfolio piece, but we also want to make it really motivating for you to make sure that you have a chance to win awesome prizes. So as this membership and community grows, we're going to have bigger prizes and more prizes to make sure you always have an awesome opportunity to win. But as of right now, we're going to do this monthly web design challenge that will probably take place within a 20-day period. And the top places are going to get prizes between $500 and $100. So hopefully this will motivate you to put in your best work and win some awesome awards. Now, along with that, the first place every single month is going to get an awesome trophy. Now, I've got a couple examples here of trophies. You can see we've got a really nice gold one with the Pate Pro logo on it. And then we also have a really cool wooden one that I'm really excited about. We're going to have a couple other options, and actually our first 50 founding members are going to get to vote on different things like this in terms of what, style of trophy they like and what trainings and resources they want. And they're going to have a lot of say on these different things just to make sure that we build this community into something that you want, not just something that I want. And so I'm really excited about those design challenges. Now, aside from that, you're also going to have an awesome library of incredible resources that we're going to work really hard with multiple different web design experts throughout the world to make sure that these resources and templates kind of become the standard for all web designers. If we work together and utilize the same resources, this is going to help us as an industry raise our rates and our expectations and improve our processes. And we're going to work together to improve the way that we do web design. And so I'm really excited about this resource library. All right, so the next question people are asking is, how much does it cost and why? So it is currently priced at $47 a month. Originally, when I started putting this together, we had it priced at $297 per month. And I truly felt like this was still a really good value at that rate. But as I started to meet with my team and kind of put the feelers out and get a vibe of what other web designers were willing to pay, we found that we wanted to make it affordable enough that anybody could do it. Now, I personally feel like the value you're going to get is far beyond $500 per month, but it's going to be $47 a month. And the reason we've done this is it's affordable enough that anyone can do it, but it's just enough that you're going to feel like you're investing in yourself and in your business. Because when we pay money for something, we value it more, and this means that you're going to make a bigger effort to utilize the resources and show up to the trainings and the Q&As and participate in the community. And by doing this, we're all going to benefit more from this. Now, with that said, it's not going to be this price forever. Our plan is our enrollment periods are going to happen every 3 months. So if you don't get in the current enrollment, you're going to have to wait 3 months. We're not letting anybody else in between those times. And every enrollment period, the price is going to go up as our libraries of trainings and resources grow. Obviously, there's going to be more value there. So if you get in on these early enrollments, you're going to get a cheaper price that you're going to have locked in forever, which is going to be really nice. But with that said, if you don't get in these initial enrollment periods, don't worry, because you're still going to have a chance to get in. Now, with that said, you've probably seen that we're only letting in 50 members for this first initial enrollment. These are going to be our founding members that help us make a lot of the decisions. They're going to be able to vote on the winners of the design competitions. They're going to have a voice within this community. But with that said, if you don't get selected as one of these first 50 members, if you still apply in this period, we're going to make sure to honor the price of $47 a month. So when we open our first official enrollment in October, which is in 2 months from now, you're going to get that same rate. And then after that, the rate is probably going to increase by about $10 to $20 per month every time we open enrollment. So that's kind of our plan as of right now. Now, the other thing that's really important is you can only join once. So if you join and then leave, you can never join again, because we want people committed to the tribe and to this family of web designers. But also, we are leaning towards only having 1,000 members in this tribe, which means once we hit 1,000 members, we're going to close this forever. And the only way that you can get in after that is if people end up canceling. And we're doing enough inside this tribe and this community that I don't think anybody's going to want to cancel. And so if you want to get in and you want to be a part of this, definitely don't wait. Currently, we've already got a few hundred people that have applied. And so don't feel discouraged if you feel like, man, I'm not going to get chosen as this first 50. We're looking for a variety of people. And again, if you don't get selected, don't fret, because you're going to be able to get in October, and you're going to love what you find inside. So the next question that you probably have is, okay, Peyton, what if I pay the $47 for the first month and I don't like it? And what we're going to do, because I'm so confident that you're going to love what you find inside, I'll give you your money back. If you get in, you watch the first live training, and you don't feel like it's worth way more than $47, I'll give you your money back, and I'll let you keep all of the free resources, templates, everything inside. And so worst case scenario, you get your money back, you get a free training from a web design expert, you get all the resources. You've really got nothing to lose, because I know that once you get inside, you're going to stay forever. So it's a zero risk for you to try it out. But the one thing that I am going to ask of you is don't apply if you're not serious about investing in yourself and in your business. This isn't just another Facebook group or another community. Like, this truly is going to be a tribe of tight-knit web designers that want to help each other succeed. And so if we feel like you're not a good fit, or you're not helping others, or you're not, pulling your own weight in this community, we're going to boot you from the community. We're not going to let you stay in. All right, so I hope that answers a lot of the questions that you have. If you have any other questions, please drop them down in the comment section. I'm going to be watching this video like a hawk over the next couple days during this first enrollment period to answer those questions. If you watch this video after this initial enrollment has closed, don't worry, you can still go to the landing page, you can still apply, and then we're going to open enrollment again on October 1st, so in 2 months from now. And then again, it will be in January, and then 3 months after that, and 3 months after that. So you're going to have chances to get into this, but again, we're capping it at 1,000 members. So if you want to be a part of something that is zero risk to you, and what I hope will be the greatest asset to your career as a web designer, please click the link down below and apply. And if you get approved, I look forward to seeing you inside. Thanks so much for watching, and we will catch you in the comments section and in the next video.